Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the another topic of the chapter periodic classification of elements, and our topic is trends in modern periodic table. But before starting this area, I want to know that do you know about position of elements in modern periodic table? It is very important to know about the position of elements in the periodic table. Position of elements, that means how to decide group and period of an element. हम किसी भी एलिमेंट के ग्रुप या पीरियड को कैसे डिसाइड करते हैं, that we will discuss first before trends in modern periodic table. So what happened in that, how to decide group. In this condition, groups are decided by valence electrons. Groups, who will decide? Valence electron will decide. Now what is valence electron? I think you know about that valence electrons. So how to decide how to decide group? It is decided by valence electron. What are valence electron? In your 9th class you had already discussed about the valence electron. I will give an example to you. Like sodium is having atomic number 11. What is the atomic number of sodium? Sodium is having atomic number 11. And according to that, its electronic configuration will be 2, 8, 1. Like this one is valence electron. Last one shell में जितने electrons होंगे, that is valence electron. So valence electron will decide. If valence electron is 1, then group is 1. If valence electron is 2, then group is 2. Like in magnesium is having atomic number 12, and Klm, it is having 2, 8, 2. So 2 is valence electron. But in the case of aluminium is having atomic number 13. According to that, Klm, 2, 8 and 3. So 3 is valence electron. Now if valence electron is 1 or 2, if valence electron is 1 or 2, then that is the group number. If valence electron 1, then we can say group number 1. If valence electron is 2, then we can say group is 2, second group. So sodium belongs to first group because its valence electron is 1. Magnesium has group 2, second group, because its valence electron is 2. But if valence electron is 3 or more than 3, if valence electron is greater than or equal to 3, if it is greater than or equal to 3, in that condition, valence electron plus 10. Remember this thing, valence electron plus 10. That means आप valence electron में 10 plus करोगे, then you decide that what is the group number of that element. In in aluminium, as its valence electron is 3, valence electron aluminium का 3 है. देखिए एक बार और यहाँ explain कर देती हूँ clearly आपको. Aluminium, atomic number 13, electronic configuration is 2, 8 and 3. So 3 is the valence electron. As this valence electron is greater than you can say 2 or 3 or greater than 3, अगर कोई भी होगा तो 3 plus 10, that means 13 is the group number. You can take an example of phosphorus. Phosphorus is having atomic number 15, and according to that its electronic configuration is 2, 8, 5. So because 5 is the valence electron and 5 is the number which is greater than 3. तो 3 से greater than है. So we can say that phosphorus is having group number 15. So it is very important to know that how to decide first group. So groups are decided by their valence electron. If their valence electron is 1, then the group is 1. If their valence electron is 2, then the group is second. But if the valence electron is 3 or more than 3, then we have to add 10 number in the valence electron to decide the group number. Like in aluminium, 3, then 3 plus 10, 13th group. In phosphorus, valence electron 5, then 5 plus 10, 15th group. Now, we will decide the period. How to decide period? How to decide period? Period कैसे decide होगा? It is decided by, period is decided by the number of shells having electrons. Number of shells having electron, that means how many number of shells are having electron, that will decide the period of that element. For example, sodium with atomic number 11, you can say lithium with atomic number 2, hydrogen with atomic number 1 and potassium with atomic number 19. Let's take these examples. Sodium is having 2, 8, 1. K, L, M and N. These are the distribution. Lithium is having 3 number. So 2 and 1. Hydrogen is having only 1. Potassium is having 19. So 2, 8, 8 and 1. This is the electronic distribution. So sodium, how many shells are there? 1, 2 and 3. So third period. Lithium 1 and 2. So second period. Hydrogen, that is only 1. So first period. Potassium, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So fourth period. So how do we decide the period? Periods are decided by number of shells filled by electron. That means कितनी shells में electrons filled हैं, that thing will decide the period. So it is very important before starting the trends in modern periodic table that how to decide groups and period. I hope you understand it, that how to decide group and period, and in the next video we will discuss about the trends in modern periodic table. Hello.